Hey everybody, welcome to day 84 of 365. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you all very much for joining me. I am your awesomest, Deuce Pesic, founder and chief visionary officer of ND Pesic Group. For the last 4 or 5 days, I've been really quite taken by the flooding in Tennessee. It's tough. Situations like that are tough. They're difficult. It's exhausting. It's devastating when you lose someone due to events of Mother Nature. Again, I have a plan to help people. I'm putting these calls out to attract the right person or persons to reach out so we could negotiate, bargain a deal to where everybody wins. And that's something that y'all need to know about me. Okay, I'm not looking for anything that's gonna put me up at the top. You would be silly to think that you do it all yourself. That's not the case at all. There are many people involved that get you there. Okay, but everybody comes up together. That's something you need to know about me. There are a couple of deals that I presented to the wrong individuals in great companies, middlemen, who don't want to see somebody else come up. They only think of themselves, and that is not the type of person I am. I'm a straight shooter. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. If it's something that you don't necessarily like, let's talk about it so we could work through it together. It's sad to see that there are people out there only looking out for themselves rather than looking out for the greater good. I'm not in this for the money. I'm in it to be able to help people. That's the first thing. The financial rewards come with it afterwards. That's just how it goes. That's how it is. If so many people are out looking to find a quick buck, that next thing you know, they're gonna wake up one day unable to get that quick buck anymore, and they're left fucking shirtless and penniless, living in worse conditions than I am. Yet here I am, wanting to help people because I have that product. Some may not like me because I'm disrupting markets. Good. We need disruption. It's called innovation. It's called getting the work done more efficiently for the greater good. So, I hate seeing this. And the reason, I'm sitting in my car here in the rain, and I can't not help but think about those people in Tennessee, or the people of Haiti, or the people of the Philippines, or the people near Alaska, where they had the 4 earthquakes last week, 10 days ago, whatever it was. People are still suffering through that. And then you have this come up. We have the way to better impact global communities. we're just hoping we find the right people to get us. We're looking for the right people to help us help people. That's what it is. It was a young lady that posted yesterday on one of my older videos who said, if you actually get this built, you're gonna do real well. Now, I don't know who she is. I thank you for recognizing the work that we're doing, and I am very grateful and humbled for that remark. But I wound up getting that same remark from a gentleman who is the head of a first responders team for the Florida Emergency Management Office. And he said the same thing 4 years ago, you know. But meanwhile, other self-serving individuals in the similar field laugh at me, hang up on me, tell me that I'm out of my mind. Not because the project is bad, it's because they didn't want to give the money. It's sad when a human life is at stake because all we're needing is funds to get to that level. For those people who laugh and are derisive and mock me, there's a special place in hell for you people. There's no room in heaven for people with that character. But regardless of them, they don't matter anymore to me. What matters is this and the right people. So I'm just pushing away. I'm sorry, I'm just plugging away, moving forward, moving mountains if I have to get to where we need to be. Because this is what matters. Much love to you guys. Thank you for joining me today. And once again, I want to thank you all. Over the weekend, a whole bunch of people subscribe to the channel, and I thank you. Every day I've been getting more and more posts from people I've never met before or encountered, who are giving me nothing but high fives, and people who see the great vision of, holy cow, we could save some lives. So I thank you for those who support us. I appreciate you very much. Much love to you guys. Have an awesome Monday. I hope you started crushing your week. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 85. Always remember, we are the highest species on this planet. If we don't help each other out, who the hell will? We have to look out for one another. Despite what's going on in the world, we have to help one another. We are one people, one earth.